So what are we up to today, Ren?
Replacing the CV and the wheel bearing.
Mazda 2003, right? Mazda 3. So the hub one and the old one is actually the original hub. How many kilometers?
270k.
270k. So the hub finally died in it. So press the new hub in. While we're at it, putting new CV in. Do the other side next week, and it just wasn't drivable the way it was, so let's at least get it back on the road. There's only supposed to be a little bit of transmission fluid come out when we pop the CV out, but it's coming out pretty good, so thinking they must have overfilled the transmission last time it was serviced. Just getting some cat litter here to clean this up. So you have to totally separate everything from the hub so you can get it out. And then the CV, just get behind the back of it with a pry bar and give it a good boot, and it pops right out. Okay, let's give it a little bit more. Let the last few drips come out, and then we'll put it back together. So this is the old hub that came out of there. It was pretty well cooked. The bearings, or what's left of them, are starting to fall out of it and everything. But like I say, that's OEM, and it's what, 17 years old, so I just cut the ears off of it with the plasma cutter just so it would fit in the press a little bit better. Used one of my extensions already, so those are already paying dividends. New CV axle ready to go in. From Rock Auto, of course. If you're going to buy any of these parts, make sure you buy them from Rock Auto. Do yourself a favor and save some money. This one was a fraction of what it would have cost us at the local auto parts store.
That seems like it's in a super bad spot.
Well, once it comes back down, it'll...
Because if it hits that, it's going to snap it.
No. It's going to adjust itself once everything comes down. So, new hub, new CV. Just put the brakes back on, and it's about it, right?
Yes.
Okay, go back together. So torque the wheel nuts and let the motor warm up and check the turning level. I think I lost quite a bit of transmission fluid for some reason, but I think it was overfilled. That should do it.